Greetings, travelers! Welcome back. Devil Hearthstones. We're back at it again. Tavern Brawl, Dark Recipe. These are my favorite types of Tavern Brawl. And you've been challenged to Tavern Brawl by this dude, a decline. That's not really what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I got this Uther. Just trying to get this Tavern Brawl knocked out. Okay, let's see what is going to happen with this worthy opponent that I might have. Oh, frick. They got this on fire, super lit paladin.
My hammer burns with
Come on,
holy
man.
fire.
I can't compete with that bad boy. Bad girl. Hey, I actually really want that hero. I did just get the shaman hero. Make sure you guys are doing that, grinding it out real quick, getting that shaman hero, staying lit. You guys already know all that good stuff. And yeah, should I just turn one with this Worgen? Should I just Worgen turn one and F it? Hit him with that well met one time. Boom. Because I've got a bunch of 3 drops and no 1 or 2 drops. There we go. Shout out to the homie loot hoarder. Copping that loot crate. Check the link in the description below for loot crate. Actually, just kidding, because I don't have a link in the description below for loot crate. I do have links for other things that are also linked super dope. Bing rewards, swag bucks. Check those out. Get yourself some free money like I do. It's awesome. Not even joking. Just free money. Hey, that Worgen battle though. Shout out to the Worgen battle though. Hey. Don't kill my loot hoarder. Don't kill my loot hoarder though. That's that homie. Yeah, I coined him out, okay? He's gonna draw me a card. He's gonna draw me a card. I really don't like this freaking
Don't
crap.
worry, loves. The cavalry's here.
Oh, he hit it with that, boy. Oh, and he's going face with it. Oh, I'm gonna punish him. I am going to punish this guy. You're about to get punished, boy. You already know. Check it. Boom. Boom. I just snatched his shield off.
Hey, give me that.
Killing spree.
I need to watch out. That crap for me. Oh man, or she. That is kind of a girly name. It does end in DA. That's like definitely girly status.
Don't worry, loves.
Oh,
The cavalry's here.
he came through with another one. No way. No freaking way. If I top deck it, oh, that would have been lit.
Don't worry, loves. The cavalry's here.
Nothing scares me.
For Lorthamol.
Yeah, I took off the shield because you know what? I don't want him to be able to snatch shields. You know, if he throws down one of these Blood Knights and just like snatches up mad shields, man, that would be devastating. No way. He's buffering it? Dang, dang, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans.
The light protects
Oh, frick. Hit him with that shield, though. If I do this, I'll put a shield on here, and then I'll have a shield on here. I can't combo it yet.
Let me think.
Don't worry, loves. The cavalry's here.
I'll throw down the loot order. I'll do this real fast.
That it?
Giddy up!
I kind of wanted to get the double buff with the sword, but I couldn't do that and play down the Argent Charger, whatever this dude's name is. Argent Horse Rider. Argent Horse Rider? That's a weird name,
Back to
yo.
your homes.
Oh, he's about to throw down.
Nothing scares me.
Oh, frick.
Except this.
I need to get rid of this thing. Oh, no.
Voting for duty.
Give me a Blood Knight off the top. Give me a freaking Blood Knight off the top. Let me snatch those. Let me freaking snatch those. Oh, frick. I would have been hyped.
Is that it?
Okay, let's go.
Avenge me!
Get that shield on something. Shout out to that horse rider.
Hey, give
I need to get rid of that thing. Man, if I would have top decked that bad boy.
I must move quickly.
Back to
Yeah,
your
I'll throw it
homes.
down. And you know what?
For justice.
Okay. Let's see what happens here. I don't know if this is a weird matchup, considering I know they have Blood Knights in their deck. Man, I would have been hyped to have top decked the Blood Knight off of that loot hoarder. That would have been the most litest lit that ever lit. I might be throwing down that combo with the Light Bane with the Blessing and getting myself a big fatty Light Bane there. But that's also really risky. I might combo it with the Defender of Argus.
Options.
Who knows? Oh, frick. He just murdered me. Oh, my gosh. The swing of all swings. Dang. I just got murdered.
You have been measured.
Boom. How about that? Do something about it. Do something about it with that Light Bane.
Options. Avenge me!
No, they hit me with that equality. No, he wasn't ready. Oh, frick. They hit me with that Light Bane back.
Reporting for duty.
I'm gonna freaking lose this. Give me something decent. Let's go, fam. Let's freaking go. Please don't have something strong in that one card. I top decked like a beast there. Don't have something sexy there. Don't have something sexy. They're holding it. I don't think they're going to use it. And they're gonna have to clear out their whole squad. Yeah.
Reporting for duty.
My shield for Argon.
I guess I'm just going face with it.
For justice.
You're saying, yo, stop me? Stop me if you can? That top deck with that Tyrion Fordrin? Shout out to the homie Tyrion. Blow yourself up. Yo. Yo, what did they get? What did they top deck? Did they top deck equality? That would be devastating. Oh, the defender of Argus came through in the clutch. But they didn't.
Reporting for duty.
I think I can get through it, right? Yeah. That one takes out that one, that one takes out that one, I go face. Boom. Game time. Oh. Yeah, game time. Game time! Boom. Boom. Go face. Hit him with that well played.
Into the breach.
We'll do it like this, because F it, right?
Don't test
Boom.
me, child.
Boom. I want the sword.
For
I want
justice.
the Ashbringer. Boom! Oh, that was a good game. I actually kind of really lucked out with that Tyrion top deck. And I just pushed. But, yeah, I got lucky. Make sure you do your Tavern Brawl. Get your free pack. Also going to have a full playthrough of the new adventure that just dropped today. Definitely check that out. And you guys already know what it is. Go Devils!